Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I know my room's nice and clean now, but it wasn't before. In this video, I'm gonna be getting my life together pretty much, and by that I mean just getting motivated on a Sunday to just clean up this entire room, have it nice and ready for the entire week. That way I can wake up with a freshly cleaned room and have a good headspace by Monday, tomorrow. So yeah, I really hope you guys like this video. Comment down below and subscribe, and I hope you guys found this video motivational or inspiring in any way to get up and clean your room yourself, or to do anything that's gonna make you possibly like clear your head or make you feel better. So enough of me chatting, let's just get straight into this video. Most of the time, I don't brush my hair when I first wake up in the morning. I'll normally tie it up into a bun just because the night before I typically have my hair brushed, but I do wake up looking like how you guys just saw, so what I typically end up doing is just tying my hair up in a bun. But the night before I had washed my hair, so I didn't brush it the night before like I would typically do, so I went ahead and just brushed it here. And now I'm gonna go in with my foaming facial cleanser. I've been using this foaming facial cleanser a good second now, probably like maybe 2 weeks. It's supposed to help with my oily skin. I don't know why my skin has been so oily lately, but it has. And then I just rinse it off with water. And then I'm just gonna brush my teeth because, yeah, that's the first thing you should do when you wake up in the morning. And then after I brushed my teeth, I went ahead and washed my hands again and put in my contacts. I ended up cutting out most of the clip of where I was brushing the rest of my teeth. It was just too long, and yeah. And right here, I'm just using a quart roller. I think it's called a stone quart roller. I hope I'm saying that right. And I've been adding this into my skincare routine lately, and I really love how it feels. If I'm gonna be completely honest, this is not one of my favorite sunscreens. I don't really have a favorite sunscreen, but I really do need to get one because SPF is really important for your skin. But for right now, I'm just using the L'Oreal Revitalift sunscreen, and I just apply that all over my face and apply a little bit down my neck, and then I just try fixing my hair, and I just part it down the middle like I typically do and tie it up into a ponytail. And then of course I have to put earrings on. If I don't put my earrings on, I feel naked, like my ears feel naked. I've always been like this ever since I was a little girl. So let me know in the comment section if you can relate, because I don't know, I've just always been like this. I used to hate when I went to school when I was little and I forgot my earrings. Okay, anywho, enough of that little story time. Time to get started with the real stuff, with the real cleaning, juicy cleaning. I'm just gonna start off by making my bed because that's the biggest thing in my room. And if I make my bed first, I'm not gonna feel like diving back into it, because if I don't make my bed, that's what I typically do. Go back into my bed and just scroll down TikTok for hours. And I'm just rolling up my mat. I had recently worked out this morning, and I think I just like left the mat there. And this is me posing. Let's just ignore the fact that my drawers look like this. I'm not gonna fix it in this video, but let me know if y'all want a updated drawer organization video or an updated video on how I organize my drawers. And I'm gonna just be like tidying everything up, basically putting everything back to where it belongs. Okay, I'm not sure if you guys could see this, but I was kind of tired of my fairy lights looking pretty ratchet here, so I just went ahead and took them down. I just wasn't with it. I don't know. I just didn't really like how it looked right there. And now I'm just cleaning my windows and vacuuming underneath my desk and every elsewhere. And now I'm going to clean my mirror. Alrighty, you guys, so yes, we are going to clean the bathroom as well. Yeah, she didn't pick up after herself this morning, so I already vacuumed the floor. Yeah, so I need to go ahead and clean my bathroom really quick. This is just gonna be a quick thing to hit. It's not gonna be nothing long. Of course, wipe off the countertops, put everything back in its place, then clean the shower, take everything out, scrub it, put everything back in, scrub the juicy toilet, and put everything back in the cleaning bin, or what is this called? I can't remember what it's called, but it's something. And yeah, I am gonna use this to clean the bathroom and to just clean like the sink, just because I'm too lazy to go get the bleach and it's downstairs. So yeah, let's do that. Why did I do this? Oh my god. I'm gonna put you guys in time lapse, that way this is not gonna take forever, and I don't know what I'm doing, but yeah, I'm gonna put you guys in time lapse mode, that way it doesn't take forever. And let's do this. 1, 2, 3, go. I just have to put this down now. Cleaned everything off. This is probably like the quickest video I've ever done, but yeah. Alrighty, you guys, so I finished cleaning, so you guys can see. I feel so great already. I'm just ready to get started with my week, even though today is Sunday and I need to let this day finish, but I feel ready to see what this week has for me, and I'm ready to achieve my goals for this week. And yeah, I really hope you guys like this video. I really love watching cleaning videos, so this is why I do like videos like this, because I enjoy watching them myself and I feel like they're pretty motivational to me, or just kind of like soothing in a way. I don't know if that makes any sense, but I hope you guys have a beautiful day or night, and I hope you guys have a great week, and let me know if you guys were cleaning along with me, or just let me know if y'all have any goals y'all are trying to achieve this week, and just comment them down below. Kind of curious. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.